Hi everybody, welcome to Spark, welcome back. I just wanted to come on for a couple minutes tonight and invite you to pray with me for a couple seconds and just send a whole lot of love to Kentucky and Southern Illinois and Arkansas and Tennessee in the wake of the horrible, horrible tornadoes. I just want to send love, and it always is better when you do it together. So I'm going to light a candle. Whatever your faith, whatever your spiritual path, please just pray with me. We're going to do about 30 seconds of silence and prayer and just send love to all the people that need us right now. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, and Archangel Gabriel, please be with us tonight. Please be with all the people that need you. Please help the people that are recovering from these horrible, horrible storms. And please send the people that need them, help them to get food and shelter and water and to be cared for. Send our love and our prayers to them. Thank you for being with me. And I'm going to put in the description some links to the Red Cross, and there is a Kentucky Storm Fund, and the Humane Society is in great need of help down there, and a few other organizations. Please review them for yourself. This is what I found. If you're concerned, research, do what you need to do. But if you're looking for a place to help, I will list some in the description, and just continue to send love and prayers in the hours and days and weeks ahead. Thank you. Have a good night.